Hi boys and girls, so now it's time for us to go over our daily math review and for you to self-assess your work. So I want you to follow along and give yourself a check if you got it correct, and if not, you can fix your work and then give yourself a check. Alright, we're gonna get started, okay? So in the first box it says to fill in the missing numbers, okay? So let's take a look at the missing boxes. We can even use our hundreds chart down here to help us, okay? So let's take a look here. So 19, and then the number that comes after 19 is, right, 20. Okay, so now let's continue. We have 27, 28 would go here. And what number is in this box? We can even use our hundreds chart to look. We see 19, and then if we move down one, we have 29. And then after 29 is 30. Okay, so now we have this row. It goes from 37. What comes after 37? 38 and 39. Alright, so now we also have here 48, 49, 50. Okay, did you get that? Give yourself a check. Okay, let's move on to the next box. It says, find the missing part and complete the equation. Okay, so we see that this is the whole, this is the part, and this is the part. And we're missing this part. So we have 14 in the whole, 11 in the part. So what goes in the other part? Right, 3, because 11 and 3 make 14. Let's complete the equation. 14 equals 11 plus 3. Okay, give yourself a check if you got that. Okay, now we're moving on to the third box. It says, write an equation to show how many. Okay, so let's take a look. I know that these long sticks equals to 10. Okay, so let's count. 10, 20, 30. So I have 30 plus 1 here. So we can say 30 plus the 1's cube, and we get 31. Just like that. Give yourself a check if you got that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the mental math, and I'm going to say some math equations, and I want you to follow along and try it yourselves. Okay, so for number 1, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, give yourself a check if you got that. Okay, for number 2, 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Give yourself a check. Okay, and for number 3, 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Give yourself a check if you got that. Alright. Make sure that you self-assess your work. Give yourself a check if you got the answer correct. If you got it wrong, make sure you fix it, and then you can give yourself a check. Alright, great job boys and girls.